this is a keto version of an Indian naan type bread. It doesn't use any flour, but it does use almond flour and mozzarella cheese. And this is what it looks like. I made some last night for dinner, and I thought I'd make some more today for you. So first we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You want to put parchment paper on it. So you just do that, and then you're going to set it aside. Shredded mozzarella cheese, almond flour, smidgen of milk, and you can use any kind of milk that you want, dairy, non-dairy, a little bit of baking powder to make it nice and puffy, 2 large eggs. 3 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. It's that much milk. I'm going to melt the cheese. A few minutes in the microwave. I'm going to put it in 30-second intervals, and I'm going to stir it. So this is after 1.5 minutes, and it's very much more melted. It's been 2 minutes of resting after just 1.5 minutes in the microwave over 3 30-second intervals. I'm going to put in 1.5 cups of finely ground almond flour, 1 cup, okay. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Dump that in there. Add in the 2 eggs. And so the ingredients are ready to go. The easiest way to do this is with your hands. I'm going to get in there, start mixing. Eventually, and it only takes a few minutes. So we're going to get the flour into the cheese and keep smushing it around. This is going to be sticky until you put it on the parchment paper. Now keep breaking it apart and putting it together to distribute the almond flour throughout the mozzarella cheese. You start squeezing it out like this, and that really does a good job. And if it doesn't quite all mix together, you know, at the end, it doesn't matter. The texture of the mozzarella has changed, so you don't feel a big stretchy clump. And I think this is good. So approximately half, and all I do is you just eyeball it and split it apart. And then each one in half again. So we're going to take each of these and we're going to roll it in a ball, trying to get the stickiness to disappear. And you don't have to worry about it spreading out, so they can be really close to each other. Unlike regular bread, which puffs out like that, this isn't going to do the same thing. I'm not sure if it's 1/4 inch or what it is. We're ready to put this in the oven, 350 degrees, and now I'm going to put the timer on for 18 minutes. Oh, look at it, it's lovely. Ah, so pretty. As you can see, it's a little bit puffy on top, which is nice. And if you rip it apart, you'll see the texture of it. It looks like bread, and it's really tasty. I'm gonna have some in a minute. Oh, this is so good. It's almost exactly like bread. Please comment, let me know what you think. Give me ideas, what you want to talk about, and I hope to see you later. Thanks, and have a great day. This has been The World According to Mary. Bye.